You stopped drinking coffee. Coffee started drinking you. Breakfast became cold brew. Lunch became espresso. Dinner became pre-workout mixed with energy drinks. Your blood type changed. The lab tech didn't believe the results. It started with optimization. You read an article about peak performance, caffeine timing, strategic intake, the difference between alert and optimal. You downloaded the app. It tracked your consumption, mapped your energy levels, predicted crashes before they happened. The first week felt like enlightenment. You weren't just awake, you were operating at frequencies you didn't know existed. By week 2, the app suggested increasing dosage. Your body was adapting, building tolerance. You needed more to maintain baseline. You complied. 200 milligrams became 400. 400 became 600. The app called it progress. Your hands called it something else. The tremor started small, a vibration in your fingertips when you held your phone. You told yourself it was normal. High performers shake. It meant you were pushing limits. Week 3. The app introduced combination protocols. Caffeine plus L-theanine, plus taurine, plus compounds you couldn't pronounce. Each one optimizing a different neural pathway. Your sleep schedule became a suggestion. 4 hours felt luxurious. 2 hours felt sufficient. 0 hours felt productive. The app tracked it all, praised your dedication. Your streak was unbroken. 347 consecutive days of optimal intake. Your co-workers noticed, asked if you were okay. You laughed, showed them your productivity metrics. Up 42%, up 68%, up 93%. They stopped asking. Your doctor noticed too. During the annual physical, your resting heart rate was 107. Your blood pressure read like a countdown to detonation. She asked about stimulant use. You showed her the app, the carefully calculated doses, the peer-reviewed optimization protocols. She called it dangerous. The app called it data-driven performance enhancement. You trusted the data. Month 4. Your stomach stopped processing food normally. Everything tasted like acid. The app suggested switching to liquid nutrition. More efficient anyway. Digestion was wasted energy. You complied. Meal replacement shakes, each one fortified with 200 milligrams, 3 shakes daily. 600 milligrams of baseline nutrition. Plus the morning dose, the midday dose, the pre-workout, the focus blend, the emergency reserves you kept in your car, your desk, your bathroom cabinet. The app stopped counting individual doses, started measuring in grams. You were consuming 2.4 grams daily. The app displayed a trophy. Elite status achieved. Your hands stopped shaking, not because they healed, because they'd moved past tremor into constant vibration. A new baseline. The app called it adaptation. Your heart developed a new rhythm. Not irregular, just faster. Resting at 130, active at 180. The app noted improved cardiovascular engagement. Sleep became theoretical. You'd lie down, close your eyes. Your brain would continue processing. Emails, projects, optimizations. Your body was resting. Your consciousness had forgotten how. Month 6. The nosebleeds started, small at first, brief, then constant, then concerning. Your pillow looked like evidence. You scheduled an appointment. The doctor ordered blood work, comprehensive panel, cardiac enzymes, liver function, renal markers. The results came back flagged. Everything flagged. Your blood chemistry read like a different species. The lab ran it twice. Same results. Your plasma contained compound concentrations that shouldn't be sustainable. Your liver enzymes indicated ongoing damage. Your kidney function showed early-stage decline. The doctor used words like toxicity, organ stress, permanent damage. You showed her the app, the optimization protocols, the performance gains. She asked you to stop. Immediately. Complete cessation. You tried. For 6 hours. Then the migraine started. Not a headache. A geological event inside your skull. Tectonic plates shifting. Your brain trying to escape through your eye sockets. The nausea came next. Then the tremors. Real tremors this time. Full body convulsions. You couldn't hold anything. Couldn't stand. Couldn't think. You opened the app. Emergency protocol activated. Gradual reduction schedule. Tapering over 8 weeks. 8 weeks of controlled descent. Each day slightly less. Each day your body screaming for more. The app tracked your withdrawal, celebrated small victories, day 7, day 14, day 21. Your productivity metrics crashed, down 18%, down 43%, down 67%. The app sent concerned notifications. Your performance was suffering. Your streak was broken. Your elite status was under review. Week 8. 0 milligrams. Complete cessation. You'd made it. Your hands still shook. Softer now, but constant. A permanent reminder. The neurologist called it essential tremor, caffeine-induced, irreversible. Your sleep never fully recovered. You could manage 4 hours. On good nights, 5. Your brain had been rewired. The architecture of rest had been demolished. Your blood pressure stabilized. Your heart rate dropped to 90. The doctor called it improvement. Normal people called it tachycardia. You tried drinking coffee again. Just 1 cup. For pleasure. For the taste. Your hands started shaking harder within minutes. Your heart rate spiked to 140. Your body recognized the invasion. Responded with everything it had left. You put the cup down. Never finished it. The app still sends notifications. You never deleted it. Just disabled alerts. It tracks phantom data. Suggests protocols for a user who no longer exists. Sometimes you open it. Look at your old metrics. The trophy for elite status. The streak counter frozen at 347 days. The optimization was perfect. The protocols were flawless. The data was comprehensive. Your body was the variable they didn't account for. The organic system that couldn't be optimized indefinitely. The meat that remembers what the mind tries to forget. You're 6 months clean now. Your productivity is 60% of what it was. Your hands shake when you're tired. Your sleep is fractured. Your blood work shows permanent markers. The app calls it failure. Your body calls it survival. Neurologists are documenting it now. Caffeine saturation point. The threshold where stimulation becomes toxicity, where optimization becomes destruction. The studies are ongoing. The energy drink companies aren't funding them. You still see people at coffee shops, mixing pre-workout into cold brew, chasing performance, chasing focus, chasing the feeling of being more than human. You want to warn them, show them your hands, your blood work, your sleep studies. But they're tracking their intake on apps, following protocols, trusting the data. You were them once. Before breakfast became chemistry, before your blood type became a warning label, the coffee didn't replace your meals, it replaced you.